from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Haley if you are new here, and I love sharing tons of cleaning motivation videos. And today we are going to be doing our part 2 in our spring cleaning series. We are going to be tackling this kitchen. I'm showing you a few of the befores right now, and then we're going to go ahead and get started in this kitchen. I first wanted to get the oven started, and I just go ahead and do a steam clean in my oven, and it's about 12 ounces of water, and I just start it. It goes for like 50 minutes, and then I just let it do its thing, and then all of the gunked on food kind of just removes itself. I have to scrub a little bit, but nothing too major. So that's a great way to just keep your oven nice and clean, is using the self-cleaning mode. But I wanted to get the kitchen just nice and tidied before we got too far into the deep cleaning. So I'm going to clear the counters. I'm not going to wipe anything down because I'll do that at the very end. And then I will go ahead and unload the dishwasher, and I'm going to hand wash some dishes as well too, just because I wanted to clean out the dishwasher. So I just hand washed a few of those dishes.
All of my doubts disappearing at last. You made me fall without saying a sentence. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. 'Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. Illogical, that something that you do to me is chemical. I know it is illogical, something that you do to me. I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you.
I hope you will be able to get tons of motivation and ideas for what you can spring clean this year in your own kitchen. And I just know that sometimes it can be overwhelming, so it's nice to have somebody be like, oh yeah, you can clean this in this area and get it nice and cleaned up. But to be completely honest, on this day, I got super overwhelmed. I was supposed to be cleaning during Waverly's nap, but she didn't take that long of a nap, so it just kind of threw off everything that I was trying to get done, and so I ended up doing the majority of the cleaning with her awake. So I actually ended up not doing as much as I wanted to, and I'm probably going to do a lot of the cleaning in another video, just because there's still so much that I want to tackle in the kitchen. But I did get tons accomplished, and that felt good, so I'm calling that a win and taking it day by day, baby step by baby step, and that's totally fine and okay. And I know for a lot of people that's how they have to do it too, is just here and there tackle different spaces and getting it nice and spring cleaned and ready to go for the warm weather. So as we go through the video, I'll kind of talk about the things that I additionally want to do in another video. But for now, we're going to go ahead and deep clean this dishwasher. As you can see, my filter was really gross and it needed a major clean, so I'm going to go ahead and stick that on the counter so I can get it cleaned. And then this part of the filter was also really gross, and when I remove it, you're going to see just how dirty the area was, and it really needed a good thorough clean. So I'm going to show you a few befores of what it was looking like. It's been a little bit since I've deep cleaned it, but it hasn't been like that long. But our water is really weird, so it can just be that. But I wanted to go ahead and kind of wash the silverware area and then clean the filters. And then we're going to go in and actually scrub the inside of my dishwasher with Dawn Power Wash. I got the dishwasher all cleaned, I went ahead and added some vinegar in there, and I just added a dishwasher pod, and I'm just going to run it on a very hot cycle and let it kind of really clean. And after I opened it, I was like, this got so clean. So glad I took the time to deep clean my dishwasher. And now I'm going to go ahead and dry all the dishes, that way as I'm cleaning the counters, they're not getting gross from all of the dust and stuff that falls down. And then it was pretty much right after this, Waverly woke up. So this is when things got a little bit more hectic. But I'm going ahead and just spraying down all of the outside of my cabinets and then washing them off. I usually end up just mopping my cabinets with my spin mop, but I really like to go in like a couple of times a year and do it by hand, just to get all the pieces that maybe my spin mop has been missing. And then I also wanted to go around on the baseboards at the very top, like the trim, and get that kind of dusted. Where it's like the type of wood trim we have, it kind of makes it hard to dust, but for the most part, if I just get the dust off the best I can, it looks good and that works for us. So I'm going to go around to all of the top counters first, and I am going to wipe them down.
Guess I'll get used to being small in a world that's not acting kind, even if I don't want to. Wishing I'd be all alone. I got these demons by my side, flying on the chemicals. Guess I'm not the lucky type. Oh, trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night
Okay, I'm just getting done with all the top cabinet areas, and then I'm just doing this bottom pantry one. And then the next thing I wanted to do is spray this window. If you watched my living room spring cleaning, you know that our windows end up just getting a little bit of mold, and this one did. So I'm going ahead and spraying that down, and while that's sitting, I'm going ahead and cleaning the microwave, getting that all clean. It really wasn't too dirty, but I did just want to give it a good clean. And then I also needed to just clean the stovetop, and then I'll get into cleaning my oven as well. But really the main thing that I was focusing on was the oven. But while I was just doing these areas, I wanted to tackle the microwave and the stove. And then a few other places that I do want to clean in a different video is underneath and behind my stove. I really want to get that all cleaned, and then in between our cabinets and stove get really dirty, so I want to go ahead and get that cleaned as well when I'm doing that. And then I also I don't know if I'll move the fridge, but I will at least clean the inside of the fridge. I need to like clean the garbage can cabinet. I really need to clean all of the walls. That's something that I didn't do, and take everything off the counters and just wipe them all down. I didn't do that today. And then I just need to focus on cleaning my door, cleaning the window, that kind of stuff, and then the entryway wall I need to tackle. And then I also need to do the floors. I just swept them, gave them a good vacuum today. I didn't do anything too crazy. And then I usually like to wipe down all of my chairs, the stools, and then in the dining, where our table is, to wipe the bottoms of all of the legs of the table, wipe those stools. And then I also want to go and clean all of the hutch surfaces, clean behind the hutch. I recently did clean behind the hutch, but I want to do it again because I'm sure it still has gotten gross. And then we're getting to where we're approaching when our aunt family comes back, because I don't know what it is, we get ants so bad, and with Waverly sometimes dropping for food crumbs and stuff like that, they all kind of huddle by the hutch, since that's where Waverly kind of eats by. So I want to get that all nice and cleaned, so that way if there is any food crumbs when the ants start coming, it's more manageable to clean that area. But now I'm going to go ahead and just clean this window, and then once I get all of that wiped down, I will use my spray weight, get that all cleaned, and then we'll start to clean the counters and clean the bottom section of the cabinets.
I would do anything, I would do anything for you. You know you're everything, you know you're everything to me. Spitting shade in the cold is just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flame's going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. I think I'm arsenic, but you don't mind that I'm toxic.
Okay, I'm just finishing wiping down the bottom cabinet, and then I'm going to vacuum all of the floors. And then I forgot to clean the outside of my fridge, so since I had cleaned all of the outsides of everything else, I was like, I want to do that. So that's gonna wrap up today's video. Thank you guys all so much for being here and watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like these, I would love to have you subscribe for more cleaning motivation and realistic mom motivation, all of that kind of stuff. Thank you guys all so much for being here, and I will see you guys in my very next video. Bye guys.